Hello, welcome to ShopSmart, the channel where I help you make smart purchases with honest and straightforward reviews. If you're thinking about investing in a dashcam for your car, today we're talking about the 70mm 4K dashcam front and rear inside, model T800E. This is a complete review to answer, is it good, is it worth it? Before we dive into the details, subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss more analyses like this. I bring in partial reviews that help you save time and money avoiding bad buys. And the product link is in the description below. Check it out there. Let's get started. First, let's understand what this dashcam offers. The 70mm T800E is a 3-channel dashboard camera, front recording in 4K high resolution, and both the rear and interior cameras in 1080p. That means you get full coverage, front, back, and inside the car, ideal for anyone wanting to record accidents, vandalism, or even behaviors inside the vehicle. The total field of view reaches 402 degrees, ensuring little escapes the lenses. It comes with built-in GPS, which is great for logging real-time location and speed, something useful in insurance disputes. And Wi-Fi 6 allows for fast file transfers to the app on your phone without that annoying delay. Oh, and it has voice control, so you can adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. That sounds promising, right? If you liked that connectivity feature, give it a like now to help me bring in more detailed reviews like this. Continuing. For those who drive at night or in poor conditions, the night vision with HDR and 3D noise reduction makes a difference. Customer reviews highlight the good nighttime performance with clear videos even in the dark. There's 24/7 parking monitoring with a G sensor, which detects impacts and starts recording automatically. And loop recording ensures the SD card space doesn't run out, overwriting old files. Speaking of storage, it includes a 64GB SD card, but supports up to 512GB, giving you flexibility. Designed for extreme temperatures from -10°C to 60°C, and with a supercapacitor battery for greater stability, without the risk of common batteries swelling in the heat. The dimensions are compact, 3.8 centimeters by 8.3 centimeters by 6 centimeters, weighing 454 grams, and it has a 1.9-inch IPS screen for quick viewing. With an 18-month warranty and based on 18 reviews on Amazon, it has an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Users praise the video quality, ease of installation, and nighttime performance. It seems to deliver what it promises. Now, let's get to what matters. Is it good? Based on the specs and initial reviews, yes, it's a solid dashcam for those seeking full coverage in 3 channels with high resolution. You can expect sharp videos in 4K up front, full HD in the rear and inside, with features like GPS and Wi-Fi 6 that make daily use easier. The parking monitoring is a plus for extra security, and the night vision should handle low light well thanks to HDR. But be realistic, with only 18 reviews so far, it's a new product, so expect firmware updates for improvements. It's not the cheapest on the market, but the features justify it for drivers who value quality and connectivity. If this analysis is helping you decide, subscribe to ShopSmart. I dedicate myself to reviews like this to guide you to the best choices. Your like here makes all the difference for the channel to grow. And so, is it worth it? It depends on your use. If you want a premium dashcam with 3 channels, GPS, Wi-Fi 6, voice control, parking monitor, night vision, loop recording, and even a 64GB SD card included, yes, it's worth the investment for peace of mind on the road. But if you need something basic, there might be simpler options. Remember, the product link is in the description. If you decide to buy through it, that helps my work here on YouTube a lot, allowing me to keep bringing honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, like if it helped, subscribe for more content on ShopSmart, and see you in the next video.